Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be putting our ethical hacking skills to the test. In this video we'll be showing you how to obtain the flag for the 6th Hack the Box challenge by logging onto a web application hosted on Nginx protected by weak credentials. So whether you're a seasoned hacker or just getting started, join us as we break through weak security and claim the flag. This video is just for educational purposes and is not meant to encourage any illegal activities. First off, as usual, we confirm the machine is reachable by issuing the ping command, and we can use the nmap to gather more information about the target host. Here we can see that the target machine is running Nginx on port 80. GoBuster is a software which we will be using in this case to get more information about the target in question. GoBuster is a command line tool used for directory and DNS brute forcing. It helps penetration testers and ethical hackers identify files which might be hidden and directories on a web server by gathering a list of possible names and brute forcing them through the HTTP requests. GoBuster is available on GitHub, and you can also build it from source with the instructions provided on the same GitHub page. In our case, I will be installing it using apt. Once installed, you can get the help menu by using the GoBuster-H command, which will give you a list of available commands and flags as shown here on screen. We are going for debusting with the common word list. This will take some time, so as usual I will be increasing the speed of the video here. As we can see, there is a page admin.php which has been found by GoBuster, and the name caught my attention. I will be loading it up on our end to see exactly what this page contains. Once we navigate to this page, we are presented with a login form. I will be trying to log in using the default credentials admin, and as we can see, it seems to have worked here, and we can see the flag printed on our screen. Great, now that we have finished exploring the web page, let's move on to the next step and fill out the questions on the Hack the Box portal. For the first question, as mentioned previously, this technique is called debusting. In order for nmap to provide us with the version, we will use -S_V flag. I will be referring to the nmap scan for this answer, and as we can see here, it is identified as HTTP. The server name and the version can be obtained from the nmap scan. We can just copy and paste them here like that. We have used the switch dir to perform this enumeration. The answer here is -php. We can refer to the output of GoBuster for this one, and the answer is admin.php. If you are not quite familiar with the HTTP status codes, we can also refer to the output of GoBuster, and the answer is 200 as shown. Another one you might be familiar with is 404, when the page is not found. We can copy and paste the flag from the website that we have managed to log on to earlier, as shown here. And that brings us to the end of this one. Thanks for watching our tutorial on ethical hacking and how to solve the 6th Hack the Box challenge. We hope you found this video informative and that you have learned some new techniques to add to your ethical hacking toolkit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Stay curious and keep exploring.